video tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. The space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here in this pattern, along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. Here, for this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop. For that, we are going to use an inner variable j is equal to 0, nested while j less than 5 minus I, and at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here, j value will be 0 less than 5 minus I. Condition is true. 1 less than 5. Condition is true. 2 less than 5. Condition is true. 3 less than 5. Condition is true. 4 less than 5. Condition is true. And 5 less than 5. Condition is false. And iteration is going to stop here. This is for the first iteration of I. Here I values will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now for the next value of I, 5 minus 1, that is 4. So starting from 0, 0 less than 4, true. 1 less than 4, true. 2 less than 4, true. 3 less than 4, true. And 4 less than 4, false. The iteration is going to stop here. This is how this inner while loop is going to get iterated for remaining values of I, 2, 3 and 4. Let's print the spaces. Here every line begins with the space characters. We are going to combine two spaces here. Two spaces multiplied by I, which is going to give us 0 spaces, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8 space. And in the same line, along with space, number characters are appended. To print them in the same line, we are going to use AND without any value. Now let's print the number, print j plus 1, which is going to print the numbers, and the numbers with a space character, separate the number with a space character. After printing the space and number, we need to, after completing the space and number, we want to begin next line. For that, we are going to use a print method outside this while loop. So run this file in the terminal py_triangle.py. This is our expected result. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.